What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to DC Unplugged, and we have ourselves the 2022 GTR V2. So, of course, this is an unboxing video, so let's get into it. So, big shout out to Bike City for supporting this channel. So, thank you very much, Bike City. So, let's get into the nitty and gritty. So, let's see what's inside and how it's packaged. First of all, I'm not sure if you can see on the camera there, guys, but we've put a nice little strap around there to just make sure everything stays together and doesn't get damaged and nothing falls apart, which is good. And hopefully I've actually opened this up not upside down, because that'd be kind of funny. Alright. So, now this is a really exciting scooter for me, guys, because my very first scooter was actually dual motor scooter was actually the GTR V2. So this is bringing back a lot of memories and stuff like that. So I'm actually quite genuinely excited for this scooter, and it's really oh man, that looks good. So the really surprising thing about this scooter is that they've actually, with Bike City, they've actually listened to a lot of customers to make their product even better for the consumers like you. So it's really nifty that they've gone into detail and actually really listened to the customers to then get feedback and obviously make their product even better. So, and already it's looking good. So I'll quickly grab his and then you can have a look at this. So guys, this is the inside of the box there. You can see I've just taken off that bit there. So. But yeah, that's the inside the box there. It's looking very nice, well packed. That was in there quite well. So you can see the inner portions there. They've actually perfectly molded it, so then that way it actually sits in these cavities along here and really protects this scooter. So what I might do is I might grab yous, put it back on that stand over there, and yeah, we'll pull it out of the box. So let's pull her out. Looking really good with the typical Dragon, black and red. Looks awesome already. Super hyped. Okay, we'll put the scooter behind there for now. Inside the box, guys, just underneath that front wheel, you probably would have seen it. They've given us a nice Dragon Scooters little box there with the Dragon Scooter sticker on there, which is tape. So it's been sealed. So this will probably have it'll have your charge brick and everything like that to put the scooter together. So let's get this box out of the way and let's see the rest of it. So there we go, guys. So we've got it here. Let's take this plastic off and have a bit of a good look at this scooter. Yeah, wow. That's the front suspension is already looking really good. All right, let's have a gaze. And we've got a couple of zip ties. I'll just have a look in that box first, guys, just so I'm not keeping his hanging there. So have a quick gaze. Scissors, because I don't want to use a knife. Always cut away from yourself so you don't stabby. Okay, inside the box we have our user manual. So user manual, that'll have all your Dragon care stuff and whatnot, how to adjust and everything like that. We've then got our quality control and check lights. It's all been passed. So inside the box we have our main power cable that goes to the charger brick. Charger brick's just in here, and then we've got our little toolkit inside. Inside the toolkit we have all the Allen keys to tighten things up, pull it and put it together. So pretty nifty kit to have, especially if you get the Dragon pack and the bag and everything to go along with it. So you can do some roadside stuff and adjustments if you ever need to. Cut some zip ties off so we can open this bad girl up. Oh, look at that rear suspension. That is looking really good. That looks so way more solid than the old one, I have to admit. They've really done a really good job. All right, let's get it going. Oh, I miss these. I miss my old GTR. This is so good. Click into place. Fold that down. The kickstands are a lot more beefier than the old one. The old one used to be on the trailing arm. It was very a lot more weak and this looks a lot more sturdy, so I'll bring these around for that in a minute. Yeah, wow. We've got that stand, so we can actually stand on this. This is actually weight bearing now, which is awesome news. And that front suspension is looking beautiful. Yeah, wow, what a scoot. Alright, I don't think I need the scissors anymore, so we'll put these up here. Everything's all over the place, cool, that's cool. I think I might be a little bit too small down here for this, so I might adjust these. Alright, yep, we've got the good old quick release clamp in beautiful dragon red. That's awesome. Alright, how high can we go? Here, monster truck. No, I'm kidding. We might actually tighten these up. So these guys are actually now just the screw type. So you just screw to tighten these, so it eliminates that wobble. Very nifty idea. Very good idea. You can still, so they still fold down like the old ones, so you can pack them away in your car. Oh wow, that's actually feels a lot. I don't know what they've done in that stem, but that stem feels a lot better than it used to be. Yeah, it just feels so way more solid. Yeah, wow. Okay. I know I'm rambling on a bit, guys, but honestly, they've done an absolute spectacular job on this new scooter. And it pretty much is. So the deck is a slightly little bit longer than the old one, not by much at all. It's just slightly longer, so then you get this. They've actually been able to put that in, so that's where the length is added on here. Got this mud guard, yeah. I'm gonna have to bring these in, so let's have a gaze at it. I can't not show you. Let's have a good close look at it. All right, so we'll start from the top. Let's have a gaze. We've got this beautiful new sticker on there, Dragon GTR V2, beautiful stuff. We've got these beautiful anodized locking in pins with the tighten loosen function there, which is pretty cool. Little symbols there, so you can, I'm gonna do it. Let's go, guys. It's not even tightened down yet, but still we're doing it. Oh yeah, so fresh. Anyway, so there's that clamp that I was telling you about, guys. That looks really good. I'm just trying to get some more light in there, but yeah, it's hard. We'll get closer to that on another view, but there's like a little rubber ring that sits in here too, that just, a really nice solid clamp that sits in there. I'm not sure if that'll come up, but this is just beautiful, a lot more industrial looking. We've got this down here, it's now red, and that looks really good too. Yeah, we've got our 140mm brakes, which we all know. I don't mind, but I'll probably do a hydraulic conversion to it. We've got our dual charging ports down the back here again, like the old GTR. So we've got one here, and the other one was up on the top. And this swing arm is just a solid, well, that's my finger. That is a solid bit of kit. Yeah, that looks really good. Really good. All right, let's try and, let's do it. Let's start her up. See if we can get those lights to come on. Oh, they're already on. We're boogieing. What do we got there? Is it gonna show? There we go. Nice. We've got white lights this time. So no more blue. Oh, here we go, look at that. Brake lights, that's cool. They're on the side instead of that little, oh, there we go. Yes. Yeah, that looks awesome. Let's try and see if we put the brakes on, what happens. Nice, here they get brighter. Excellent. Awesome, then we got the 140mm brakes on the back as usual. White lights on the side. And of course the nice bright, as we know, famous front headlight. That's looking really good. Really good. Just turn that off. Yeah, wow, what a scoot. This is looking really good, guys. Really nice. They've done a really good job. Sorry guys, almost forgot to tell you and show you. There's that kickstand. Look at the beefiness on that. That's a nice solid one instead of it being on the old one. Used to have it on the trailing arm back there. But that's looking really good. Really good. All right, well, I'm gonna tighten everything up and pretty much just go over, check the brakes as you should when you get a scooter, go over little bits and pieces, tighten everything up, tighten it all up, and we'll get it outside for you to have a nice good look at and some better light. So